What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since I've talked to the camera. It's been a minute since I've talked to you guys. Progress on the car, not much. The ball should get really rolling pretty soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Anyways, most of the parts are here. When I get the chance, when I was back from vacation, I will go to the shop. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably would have seen the Cobb front mount kit is here. So yes, I'm going front mount because I need to fit all the other parts. So front mount's here. That thing is huge. That's what she said. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And the reason I went Cobb over like ETS, Perrin, Cobb fitment is just really good. Tried and true. The bypass valves, direct bolt on, fits the SF intake that Cobb makes. Comes with a replacement crash beam. I mean, just overall, Cobb is just, they've got their stuff dialed in. If Grimmspeed does come out with a front mount intercooler, I will definitely rock that once they get it out, as they are my sponsor. So yeah, in other news though, I might try to enter my first car show ever when my car's done. You guys might know WEC Fest San Jose, Week Fest, it's called a lot of different things. Gonna try to enter that. Registration opens pretty soon, so I'll try to do that. And if I'm there, please come by, just say what's up, check out the car, stay for the rollout, do some, you know, everyone's gonna say rev it, two-step, stuff like that, so you gotta please the crowd. Some of you guys have been asking when am I gonna lift with Joe again. Joe's been slacking, he's been losing the gains. No, we're both been pretty busy on the weekends, so yeah, weekends are hard to come by lately. So whenever he's free, whenever I'm free and we can link up, definitely gonna get another lift session in. I have a new pre-workout that I'm gonna try. It's the Ion Heat. I'll let you guys know how that is. Please make sure to follow me on CALIWRX Media, as I'll hello. So we're going with the Ion Heat Performance Pineapple Express. 1 scoop. It's a little clumpy. Very clumpy. So you guys can't see, but like, cause there's these ion beads in here, some beads in here. They all float to the top or sink to the bottom. It's a little interesting. I mean, it tastes like a pineapple, so give it that. Alright, so for today, for the workouts that Joe wrote me, it's week 8. Today we're doing high bar pause squat, 3 for 5 reps at 7 RPE, conventional deadlift, 6x4 at 7, barbell row at 3x12 at 8 RPE, lat pull downs and for 4x12, and reverse barbell curl for 4x12. So that's what we're going to be doing. You guys want to see a really clingy dog? What are you doing? Alright, mixability not that great. Taste is good. I'll let you know how performance is once we start repping it out. Some people mix reviews, so I'll let you guys know. So once she's done benching, I'll be squatting, and I'll be putting a little plate underneath my ankles as I'm having a little bit issue with hip mobility. So this just helps me get that proper depth. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to kick you in the face. Say hi.
Locked in my room, 4 black walls, tied the noose, no recall, no result, fuck withdrawal, rather shoot up till I fall, murder on.
Alright, I don't know if you guys can tell, but 2 sets in and I'm already sweating a lot more than usual. So, it's thermogenic. Definitely, it's not even hot outside. 66 degrees, but definitely gets you hot. Definitely gets that heat effect going, so plus on that. Focus is there, performance is there. I'll let you guys know more at the end though.
With the fight now, 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell her dinner every nighttime? Smoking that dope off the floor, let me blow. Hopefully don't come, don't fuck with y'all. Spray paint the walls with blood and whatever. Drag you outside, let you rot in the weather. I don't think I can explain any better. I'm scarecrow to terror and live for the lesson.
Alright, setting up for deadlift now. 6x4. Figure out weight after a warm-up set. I'm deadlifting from a deficit, so the weight's a little bit lower. Not quite easy, so it's actually, Joe said it's stronger. It means you're actually stronger for a regular deadlift if you're on a flat ground, so that's a plus.
My birth was an arrow.
That was a little easy. Could add 5 more pounds on each side. See how that goes. Alright, those deadlifts killed me. Usually I can do 135 for row. I don't know if I'll be able to do it this time, but we'll give it a go. Always keep strict form. I mean, you guys should know the deal, so let's try.
Coming from the bottom, what you know about that? Whole team getting on, that's a fact. I've been smoking green so long, now my lungs might collapse. Whole life still smoking that pack, smoking that gas. Yeah, so loud you can smell it through the bag. Yeah, get down and I try not to brag. Whole team stay high, getting that jet lag. I don't ever say blips, I don't even sweat that. Up all night, I don't stop. Yeah, the neighbors might call the cops. Music loud.
That's a no. We're gonna drop it down to 35s. Rows are done. Time for lats. So lat pull downs, 4x12. Supersetted with curls. Curls for the girls. But yeah, might bypass curls today. Oh no, we'll see.
Yeah, we rock, yeah. Turn it down, probably not. Middle fingers up like fuck that. We don't give a fuck and I love that. Big drip, know where the mud at. Pour one up, double cup.
Alright, so I'm gonna hit some reverse barbell curls. It's a good forearm blaster. I don't recommend going very heavy for it at all.
Yeah, I know when it's poppin', yeah. I know when it's poppin', like shorty, she drop it, yeah. And I let her drop it, yeah. I know when it's poppin', I know when it's poppin', yeah. I know when it's poppin', yeah. You know.
Workout session done. Went really well. And actually that pre-workout was not that bad. Performance was alright. It didn't give you that super hype kind of deal. It was definitely subtle. It was there. Definitely noticed it. Focus was good. But the thing that really worked is the heat. It makes you sweat a lot more. So if you're looking for a good thermogenic, I would recommend this. Give it a shot. I mean, if you guys are at GNC and you try it, they have 30 days. So if you don't like it, return it. But overall, first impressions, I would say a 3.75, 4 out of 5. So yeah. And anyways, guys, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, do your thing, and hopefully I'll have more car videos soon.